In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a purchase with Apple Pay Later. This is going to be a quick tutorial, so stick around till the end. Let's say you're shopping at an online store or physical merchant that accepts Apple Pay. Add the items you wish to purchase to your shopping cart, then click Apple Pay. Make sure your total purchase is between $50 and $1,000 and tap Continue. The Apple Pay screen should then give you the option to pay in full or pay later. Choose the Pay Later tab to use your loan to pay for the purchase in 4 installments. You will see how much money is due now and how much you will pay over the next 2 weeks, 4 weeks, and 6 weeks. Tap Continue, then click Agree and Continue. Confirm the debit card that you will use to pay off the loan. You can also choose whether or not to use AutoPay here. When prompted, double tap the side button to approve the payment. The transaction will then be processed, followed by a thank you message when it goes through. And that is how to make a purchase with Apple Pay Later. Like if you like, comment, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.